Hey guys, welcome to Life with Jimmy. Today we're gonna make whipped coffee. Now these are the ingredients. Sugar, I'm using cane sugar because it's more healthy. Coffee, I'm using Roma, which is decaffeinated coffee because it's also more healthy. Milk, if you don't want to use cow's milk, you can just use soy milk. And chocolate, you don't have to use it, it just is more nice, that extra flavor. And hot water. Now let's put them together. You're gonna need 2 tablespoons of every ingredient. Now let's mix them. So what you would like to do is whip it at the top, so more air comes in and it becomes more thick. Now let's add the milk. Now you want to add 3/4 of the cup to be milk. Now let's add the whipped coffee. Now let's add some chocolate. Thank you for watching this video. Consider subscribing and adding a like, and tune in for more videos.